Yo, today was a good day. If you guys were, first of all, welcome back to Second Island where I'm so with you guys that we are always smiling. If you guys were chilling with me today, you'd have seen the previous video where I went to Comuna 13. That experience, like, it just really revitalized was my whole energy in Colombia. But today we're gonna go for a massage where we're gonna get a happy ending. Yo, let me sit you guys down and talk to you a little bit. All right, there we go. So you guys might notice that I am sharing not just the food parts, like a lot more about Colombia, because there's more to Colombia. And like I always say in my videos at the end of it, love, nature, and adaptation. So I try to adapt my content based on wherever I am, and I'll find the things that I know that people are going to be a lot more interested in when they come to Colombia. And getting a massage with a happy ending is something that a lot of people are going to be super interested in well, not really seeing, but finding out about. So actually, how did this come up? My friend did mention that she got recommended to this spa place, so I do have an appointment tomorrow, which is gonna be amazing because it's gonna be a coffee scrub, a full body coffee scrub. And let's do the math. Chocolate man, coffee on top of that. That sounds really good. So I'm gonna get a coffee scrub, and today I'm gonna be getting a massage, a well-needed massage. I don't know if you guys might have seen the video. Maybe it's your very first time here. Thank you for watching the very first video. I hope you do subscribe. But I did go on a hike. It was like a 7-hour hike, and my body is in like tremendous pain. So she mentioned that she's gonna be doing this reflexology type of thing. So I'm like, all right, you know what? Why not show you guys another experience and do something that I really want to do, which is to get a nice, good massage. So I'm gonna be doing that. The price, how much did it cost? It's like 150,000 pesos for an hour. 150,000 pesos is like probably like $35 or so. I'll put it on the screen somewhere so you guys can check it out. But yeah, my appointment is at 6 o'clock. It's 5:24. But I heard that this type of massage, I gotta get fully naked, y'all. I gotta get fully naked, which is it's a concern of mine. Or not. Like, I'm super excited about this, like, to get this massage. For this massage place, I'm gonna share all the information so you guys can book them if you get here. You can choose either a male or a female therapist, and they will, sort you out. So I'm excited about this, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. And yeah, I hope you guys have any suggestions. If there's anything about Colombia that you want to see personally, and I have any information on it, I'll do the video for you. So let me go take a shower, get myself fresh, and go get naked, man. Let's do it. All right, guys. So now I'm in the taxi right now, going to get this happy ending massage. Now I know some of you guys, your minds went into the gutter. It's not that type of massage, unfortunately, in this video. But in future, I would like to check out some of that side of tourism, because that's what a lot of people come out here for. And if you ever heard about the passport bros, yeah. But the reason I want to showcase some of these stuff is to teach you guys some of the dangers that comes along with it. So probably in a future video I'll do something like that. Anyway, like I mentioned before, I went on a hike, and the massage I'm going to be getting today is a deep tissue massage, and I think the price that I'm paying for it is way more affordable than it would cost you in the States. So that's where we're heading to. But what I'm interested in seeing is, my friend was talking to me about it. We were saying, what if the person that's going to give you a massage isn't so attractive or whatever? And if I'm to be honest, the women in Colombia are very beautiful. Most of the times they are. So let's see. Drop in the comments, what do you think? Do you think it's going to be somebody that's just very strong to give me that proper deep tissue massage, or is it going to be somebody that's delicate but just has really strong hands? I have no clue, but I'm going to be interested in seeing that. All right, I'll catch you guys when we get there. Okay, I didn't realize my mic wasn't on for a little bit, but here I was telling you guys we arrived at Sports Massage Medellin and how professional the place looked. Then I went into a dark room where my massage therapist told me to get naked. I'm joking, but I remember being a bit nervous trying to figure out the attire. I also told her to turn the lights on because, of course, I'm filming a video. But my recommendation is to keep the lights off. Set the mood. Then we started the massage, and boy, does she have unassumingly strong hands. If I remember correctly, you can choose what sex gives you a massage, which I found to be pretty cool. Now, of course, I'm here in Colombia to learn more about the culture and to share that with you, so I decided to engage with her in conversation. Were you born in Medellín?
Yes.
Wow. It's beautiful in Medellín, I like it. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú?
20.
20.
Sí.
Wow. Un bebé.
Where are you from?
¿Y dónde eres Jamaica?
Oh, wow.
Yep. Soy jamaiquino.
¿Estás de vacaciones?
¿Repita?
¿Vacaciones en Medellín?
Sí, soy turista,
Ajá.
pero soy también youtuber.
Ok, great.
Soy trabajo. ¿Cómo se llama?
María.
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 Me llamo Steven. En español, Esteban.
Ok, Esteban, sí.
Sí.
En inglés, Stephen.
Sí.
Sí, nice to meet you.
Con gusto. Mucho gusto. Sí.
Mucho gusto,
Mucho
sí.
gusto. What tu favorito restaurante?
Mi favorito, mi restaurante favorito, tengo muchos,
Tengo muchos.
sí, pero Octava Maravilla, Mirador,
Mira,
en Sabaneta,
con Samoneta.
en Sabaneta.
Sí.
Ujú.
What? ¿Qué comer?
Hay comida colombiana, mexicana, hay otro que me gusta mucho que se llama One Restaurant
Sí.
y queda en Provenza. Es bueno.
Sí. Mi favorito. Obleas.
Las obleas.
Obleas. Empanadas.
Ujú.
También.
Las obleas son buenas.
Sí.
¿Qué más te gusta de comida de Medellín?
Medellín.
¿Qué otra comida de Medellín o de Colombia te gusta? Your favorite food in Medellín?
In Medellín, I'm thinking. I don't know. I don't know. I went to a lot. Oh, mi favorita. What's it called again? Limonada de coco.
Limonada de coco is good.
Limonada de coco. Yeah.
Frijoles, la arepa,
No.
carne, ensaladas, meat, salad.
Salad. gusta.
No.
No gusta. No gusta arepa.
Ok.
Arepa con queso.
Ok, está bien.
Yeah, arepa con queso con azúcar.
Arepa de chocolate.
Sí.
¿No te gusta?
No.
Your favorite food de Jamaica.
Wow. It's something that I haven't seen here, but it's called aki and saltfish. And fried chicken, fritos,
Okay.
pollas fritas, arroz y beans.
Beans,
Frijoles.
Ajá.
Sí.
I like beans.
Sí. Sopa, frijoles, mi favorito.
Yes, me too.
Sí. Seguro. Sure. Seguro. Do you have children?
Do you have?
Children? Niños?
No.
Niñas?
No. No. And you?
No.
Okay.
But not like 20.
20, sí.
20 es super young. Muy young.
Sí.
You have very good hands.
Okay, thank you.
You look soft, but your hands are strong. Very good. Have you visited other cities outside of Medellín?
Other cities in Medellín. Hay muchas. Me gustan los pueblitos.
Pueblitos.
Los pueblos.
Pueblos.
Ajá, como Guatapé, Jardín. ¿Conoces?
Guatapé.
Guatapé is very nice.
Sí, sí.
Jardín too. Other cities in Medellín, Sabaneta, Envigado, Itagüí.
Yeah, I went to Envigado 2 days ago.
Okay, Envigado is good.
I went hiking.
Wow.
That's why my body is in pain.
Yes.
7 horas.
Es
7.
mucho.
Sí.
Sí.
Yeah.
¿Ya conoces Comuna 13?
Commuter. Today I just went.
Okay.
Beautiful. I love Comuna 13.
Okay. Other sites in Medellín? You?
No, not yet. I've been here for 4 semanas.
Okay.
Sí. I was in Bogotá.
Okay.
2 semanas.
Bogotá is very big.
Sí, más grande.
Sí.
Sí. Mi prefiere está Medellín.
Sí.
Sí.
¿Hace cuánto eres youtuber?
¿Cuánto?
Tiempo, sí. Siendo youtuber.
How many years?
Ok.
YouTuber, maybe 5 años.
Mucho tiempo.
Yeah. Sí.
Do you like?
Mucho tiempo. Yes, of course. It's I do what I want. So for me, I show people different parts of the world,
Okay.
especially food,
Okay.
mostly food. But I know people come to Colombia and they would love, massages and things like this.
Wow, it's good.
Yeah. Muy divertido.
Sí.
And pero practicar mi español.
Tu español es bueno.
Pequeño. Mira, me hablas pequeño español.
Mi English is not good.
It's okay for us to talk. I understand you well.
Okay.
At the end of the day, working, tú cansada?
No.
No?
No.
You're strong, okay? Wow. Wow. So, after work on a weekend, what do you do for fun?
Often, the weekend, los fines de semana.
Sí.
Okay. Me gusta, I like estar with my family, my friends, salir a comer, hacer planes divertidos, ¿ok? Salidas divertidas.
¿Cómo se
Weekend
dice?
Funny.
Oh, weekend fun.
Ajá.
Okay. Nice. Can you feel knots in my body?
Yes.
You can.
Yes.
And how do you know when they're gone? You feel when they go?
You feel the go. Go. What is this go?
Leave. When the knots no more.
Okay. You can, me can
Yeah.
feel your specific pain.
Okay. guys, this massage is just good. It's really good. I heard people say that deep tissue sometimes is painful because they go right into the muscles, but this one for me, it's just like the right amount of pressure. Even though she's very feminine, she's very strong, I can feel like the muscles just like, yeah. The mood can be set even better here. The light was dim initially, but you know, I'm doing a video, so I want you guys to be able to see. And the conversation is good. People are professional, speak some level of English, so if that's a problem for you, yeah, they speak English here. And yeah, really good, really relaxing, man. Like, no cap.
Bem? Okay.
Guys, let me just say that was one of the best massages ever. Like, it was good. Had good little conversation, of course. Like I said, she does speak a bit of English, and just full body, yo. And I never thought she'd be that strong, but she is strong. But at the same time, still, you know, tender and stuff. So I recommend anybody to go get themselves a massage, because let's face it, sometimes, I mean, your partner will love you, but they have busy schedules sometimes, and it's hard for someone to, like, that's not a professional, to give you a whole hour of deep massaging. I definitely don't see that being possible. So yeah, book a trip out to Colombia, or if you just can't, then make sure you get a deep body massage. Amazing. All right, guys, so for me, I think it's safe to say that I had a happy ending. Man, this massage was amazing. And Maria, right?
Yes.
See, Maria, whenever you guys come here, make sure you check out Maria. Has really strong hands, you know, still delicate. Anyway, I'm gonna pay my bill. I think the next aim for me right now is to, we're gonna get some drinks, maybe some limonada de coco, mi favorito, you know. And yo, when you're in Colombia, get yourself a fanny pack. Trust me, I never thought that I'd be wearing a fanny pack, bro, but it makes a lot of sense. It's okay.
Sí, está bien.
Okay, no problem.
O si quieres, puedes tomar una foto
Okay.
a los servicios.
Done. Gracias. How does it feel?
It feels like I'm walking on clouds. My feet feel brand new.
You say you did reflexology.
On my feet. He did like 45 minutes on my feet, and then another 15 minutes on my hand. But my feet was like the problem area because of all the pressure points. But let me tell you, you start off smooth and then you start rubbing.
Trust me, my girl gave me everything. I got a facial, I got a head massage, I got my reflexology, I got my butt cheeks massage, I got every freaking thing. Bro, Guys, honestly, when she did that, I was just like, bro, hold it. I was like, nah. But anyway, we are going to head out to get something to drink and then maybe something to eat, I don't know. And then we can wrap up the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this experience. If you want me to show you guys more experiences like these or anything in Colombia, do drop it in the comments. And if it's the first time watching a video from me, I would appreciate if you guys drop a like on the video and definitely make sure that you subscribe for more. All right, let's head on the road.
So what's in that blue tight?
What is that?
What's in that blue tight?
Mighty God. So,
My girl look fit though, not like girl look fit.
girl, damn.
To your left and to your right.
Girl. Yeah,
Are we pressed for
so we are walking through Poblado, and Poblado has a bunch of the girls. And like, yeah, I'll do a video on that at some other time.
I had a bunch of two.
All right, so we got to a spot called La Casa, not C-A-S-A, C-A-U-S-A. Maybe I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but yeah, you guys might have seen, maybe not have seen, like walking up through Poblado, you have to be prepared for girls to like come at you, or for the guys with the music boxes to try to sing you a song. My advice, keep your head straight and say no gracias, unless that's something that you're looking for. Anyway, we're here and we got these two drinks. What's the name of your drink again?
So like lychee and passion fruit.
Yeah, so she got like a lychee passion fruit kind of drink. It looks alcoholic, but it is not alcoholic. And I got manzana y basil. So that's apple and basil. I haven't learned what basil is in Spanish as yet, but no gracias. But it tastes really good. I find in Colombia the juices or the drinks, they're very good because they're made with just really nice natural ingredients. I think this has a little bit of like a club soda. Not too sweet, refreshing. I know basil sounds crazy in a drink, but do not knock it until you try it. Amazing. All right, so the meals just came and mine looks horrible. It's a risotto, so for those who might be concerned, it's a risotto. It does look like a rice porridge, but in essence, a risotto is rice. In Spanish, it's arroz, and it's with it's con camarones, so it's rice with shrimp. There's some mushroom there, and I heard that it's a little bit sweet, dulce. Oh my God. This is the weirdest thing I've eaten in history. It tastes like I'm eating a rice porridge with shrimp. Like, it's sweet.
Still good though. Still good. They like sweet here. You can eat off my plate too.
One of the reasons I came to this country, to be fair with you, I wanted to open my palate to different foods, you know, not just what I'm accustomed to back home. And no cap, this bussin'. Like, it tastes like you're literally eating a rice porridge, which I love, to be honest, I love rice porridge. But then the shrimp, I don't know how it's working, bro, it's good. Mm-hmm. And then it has cheese. I believe it's ricotta. It's good. It's different but good.
Yeah, I like it.
Would I eat it every day? No. But it's good. Interesting. Yo necesito pagar la cuenta, por favor, para dos.
Dividido.
Factura separado
Sí.
para dos, sí.
Ah, bueno, listo. Dale.
Gracias.
¿Le retiro ya?
Sí, finito.
Yeah, so your boy has been practicing the Spanish, right? So I have this app that you guys can partake in. Beans, it was up on the app still. It's called Duolingo. I'm not sponsored by this company, but hopefully in the future. But yeah, I've been using the app Duolingo, and that actual phrase, I learned it last night. And I find the app to be like super intuitive, super easy, super fun, and like I study every single day. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, should we end the video here? We're gonna go to this Japanese ice cream spot that we passed coming up here. In Poblado, there's so many restaurants. You have so many different options. You could try restaurants every single day for probably the next 3-4 years. I don't know. There's many restaurants here. So we're gonna try the Japanese spot and gracias.
Helado Japonés.
And see. All right, so we just got to the Helado Japonés spot, and oh yeah, now. I have no clue, but they have some. But they have some interesting stuff, just like in Japan, where they're gonna throw some, how can I say, some dough into a mold, and they're gonna make you the cones fresh. And wow, what am I gonna have?
Mixto.
Sí, mixto.
Okay, with topping.
Rolo chips y mini chips. Asaro. Lots of the food.
Caramel, strawberry.
Cocktail, speakeasy. Back there?
You have a speakeasy?
Yes.
Yes.
See?
I'm going back there.
Tomorrow. Reservation? Okay.
What is it like on Fridays? Like a lot of people? Más personas?
Sí, yes. It's jazz.
Jazz, yeah.
Yes.
Me canta jazz. No, me gusta jazz.
Sí?
Sí.
This ice cream here is pretty good, and yeah, I was like the interactiveness of everything. So the girl just came just now and let us know that they have a speakeasy that's behind there. If you don't know what a speakeasy is, probably years ago, like in places like New York or certain cities, they would have these hidden clubs that they wouldn't really talk about. So you're not gonna hear everybody talking about it. So it'd be like, shh, like on the hush. So it's like a speakeasy. I think they were somewhat illegal or something like that. So yeah, they have that. So probably one of the nights, might give it a try and see how that is. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm sure this video is pretty long, but I hope you guys did learn something about Colombia today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, do drop it in the comments and let me know. If it's your first time watching a video from me, make sure that you drop a subscribe on the channel. I'll definitely love that. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Maybe I'll be taking you guys to the speakeasy. Remember these two things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.